In this video, I'm going to show you how to nuke a Discord server using Xenon bot. Now, it's really easy to do, and you can do it on Android, iPhone, PC, and almost every other device. Now, it's really easy to do. Now, instead of starting on the Discord app, what we actually want to do is we want to head over to the Safari browser and actually just type in Xenon bot. Now, once you type in Xenon bot, you just click on search, and it's actually going to be the first result right here. Now, once you're on the website, all you need to do is you just click on the add to Discord option, and from here, it's going to bring you to this pop-up panel like so. And once you've actually logged into your Discord account, all you need to do is you see it will bring you to this panel right here. And all you need to do is you select the server that you actually want to add this bot to. And once I've actually selected the server I want to add it to, all you do is you click on the continue option and authorize option at the very bottom. And once you do that, it will actually bring you to this panel like so. And once you've done that, it will actually be added to your server, and all you need to do in the top right hand corner, click on the three lines, click on templates, and you actually need to just search for nuke. Now, this is how we actually get the text to actually successfully nuke a server. And as you can see, we've got a bunch of Discord nuking templates down here. You can pick the one that you want to use. Once you found one that you like, you just click on it, and it will actually bring you to this right here where you can see all the nuke channel text right here in the bottom. All you need to do is you actually just copy this. How you do that is you just click on the template name and it will actually copy to your clipboard. And if you don't want to go through that process, I've actually left it in the notes app right here that you can just copy this text right here. But once you've actually copied this, you need to just go back to your Discord app like I've done so here, and your Xenon bot will actually show up here. And all you need to do now is the text we just copied. You need to paste that here. And once you paste it, your text should be black, your last and first part of the text. And if that's not working, you can add spaces, take off spaces, add periods, etc. And then once you actually send this message, it will actually give you your final warning that you can either confirm this nuke or cancel it. Now, when you click continue, just make sure you're 100% certain you want to do this. Once you click continue, it will take a second and it will be like, hey, be careful, and it'll show you how many roles, text, chats you'll be deleting. So I'm going to click on continue, and as you can see, it will slowly start to load just like this, and everything has been nuked to the max, and it will start generating these channels. And yeah, this server is completely ruined now that I've nuked it. So yeah, just only do this if you're sure, but